Hello friends, this is Yashwant. Very warm and heartiest welcome to my YouTube channel, The Yashwant. Today in next 4 to 5 minutes, you will learn English as an important language. So let's start. Generally, all the people thinks and all expresses their ideas. But how do they perform it? They perform it through meaningful words. Not just meaningful words in a specific language. Language is our primary source of communication. It is a method through which we share our ideas and thoughts. There are thousands of languages in the world. Many countries have their own national language, in addition to a variety of local languages spoken and understood by the people in different areas. Suppose in India, there are people from several states, as well as from other countries, who have come here to find jobs, or just to visit our places. Communicating with all of them requires a common language, that is English. In fact, English is considered as an official language in a total of 67 different countries, as well as 27 non-sovereign titles. It is here that English language and the knowledge of it becomes an advantage. Talking about any field, be it computers, tourism, diplomacy and so forth, English is the language of every field. Whether one wants to go abroad or in a multinational company, English is the language helps in increasing the chance of getting a job in a desired company or country. Moreover, best-selling and films, books are produced in English. Sometimes, popular and best-selling books translated into other languages, translated into English to get a worldwide audiences. It is also not surprising that more than 50% of the content in the internet is in English. As a concluding thought, let us consider our opportunities for higher studies. It is an established fact that English is the language that gives us access to science, especially in the field of engineering, medical and information technology. He or she gets distinct advantage if able to communicate well in English. Thus, English is the language that is used in higher studies and research. As there are various reasons to learn English, but some of 5 valuable reasons are following. First, traveling is a lot easier with good knowledge of English. Second, English is very important language for business. Third, with English you can study all over the world. Fourth, English is the language of media industry. And fifth, English will make you a hot property. And at last, I want to ask you a question. Would each one of you like to have a job? Not just a job, but a good career in coming future? If your answer is yes, then why not make yourself employable at highest and best spheres of work by mastering the English language? That's all. Friends, if you like my video and want to get more videos from me, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.